How to use Clearpay on eBay to purchase products. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Clearpay with eBay. Now for this, first let's understand what's Clearpay. Well, Clearpay is actually Afterpay in a different region. So in some region it's Afterpay and in a different region it's Clearpay. So it's basically Afterpay or Clearpay. Let's say Clearpay for now, but can you use it to buy product on eBay? Well, what can you use Clearpay for? Well, Clearpay can be used to make a purchase and then pay it on installment. That is basically buy now, pay later format. Now, well, unfortunately, eBay doesn't accept the payment in installments, so you won't be able to make the purchase directly with Clearpay or Afterpay on eBay. But there is an option to it. What you can do is the alternate solution is to go ahead on the Clearpay website, create an account, Afterpay or Clearpay, and there what you want to do is you'll get the option to purchase an eBay gift card. So what you can do is there you can purchase a particular eBay gift card, and then on Clearpay you'll be able to pay later, right? So for the gift card, but you can use that gift card after you receive it on your eBay on your payment page. You can simply go ahead and enter in your gift card and add it as your payment method and use it. Now on the checkout page, so I'm here with the item, right? So you can see gift cards and coupon section on the payment page. You can enter in your gift card code that you purchased from Clearpay and then use it to make the purchase. So this is how you can use Clearpay with eBay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.